Today we have a REALME GT Neo 3T, and today I will show you how you can scan your body temperature on this device by the app. So we have to start from downloading this app, body temperature, and open it. Now just skip this window and wait a second for the ad. Close the ad and go to the simulation. Now just hold your finger here. Now wait for 5 seconds to close the ad. And how you can see, this is my simulation results. If you want to save it, just click here and choose save. And that's it. Thanks for the watching, leave us a subscribe, a comment, and goodbye.